Okay, so the problems in example 2, as you can see, we don't actually have like terms. So we have square root of 24 and square root of 54. So the first thing we want to do is we want to simplify both of these to make sure that we have a like term. So what this simplifies to, square root of 24 would be square root of 4 and square root of 6. And 54 would simplify to square root of 9 and square root of 6. And don't forget that this one already had a 3 in the front. So if we simplify this, we have square root of 4, that's 2 square roots of 6, and then plus 3, and square root of 9 would be 3. So that would be 3 times 3 would actually end up being 9 square roots of 6. So now that we have like terms square root of 6 and square root of 6, all we have to do is add those together and we have 11 square root of 6. Now looking ahead at example D, what we need to do first is that square root of 7 we can't really simplify it, so we're going to have to simplify square root of 28. And that ends up simplifying to 4 square root of 7. Square root of 4, square root of 7, which would be 2 square roots of 7 over 3 minus square root of 7 over 4. Now what's going to happen here is that since there are fractions, we need to have the denominators be the same. So we're actually going to multiply 3, sorry, not 3. We're going to multiply 4 over here and 3 up here. So then we're going to have 8 square root of 7 over 12 and 3 square root of 7 over 12. So now we have our denominators are the same and we have our square roots on top that are like terms. So we're just going to do 8 minus 3, which would then simplify to 5 square root of 7 over 12. And that's our full answer.